Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're in the home and we're here to help you decide which air fresheners to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mention are in the description down below. Air fresheners are known for just masking odors before fading away. However, what most people don't know is that they can do more than what we expect from them. The best types of air fresheners actually eliminate odors, leaving you with a neutral smelling room. There are also some air fresheners made of natural extracts that provide medicinal purposes. This eliminates harmful airborne pathogens that can cause a wide variety of illnesses. That's not all though. It can also lighten up your mood once you've experienced that fresh, fragrant smell emanating from your room. For you to be able to buy the air freshener of your preference, stick around as we show you the top 5 air fresheners available. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The air fresheners that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible, we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the home, especially if you're interested in more informational, list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The air freshener coming in at number 5 on our list is the Febreze plug-in air freshener. The air freshener plug completely cleans away odors instead of merely covering them up. This air freshener is a 2-piece system. It has a glass vial containing 2 separate scents, which our team was able to easily insert into the plug unit. To operate, our team simply plugged it into the electrical outlet while the air freshener did all the work. The plug also acts as a warmer that functions to release the fragrance in the air. The warmer also has an adjustable control option to set the desired intensity of the fragrances. The vials have the capacity to drive away that unwanted smell for 1200 hours with a single refill on low settings. When the vials are empty, you are able to reload the base unit with the new vials to continue the fragrant experience. The air freshener has the capacity to alternate between 2 complementary scented oils, allowing you to experience both fragrances. The Febreze eliminates odors using its ingredients known as odor blockers, odor eliminators, and fragrances. It uses aldehydes, which act as an odor magnet, trapping them so that the odor molecule fall to the ground instead of circulating around the air. The unwanted odor is now replaced with fragrances. You can use it with ease knowing that it does not contain any phytolates, formaldehyde, heavy perfumes, dyes, or flammable propellants. The air freshener is available in 20 dual scents such as new floral, spice, lavender, and fruity scents, being our team's top picks. Our team at In the Home recommends the Febreze plug-in air freshener for practically anywhere in your household. Our team likes its ability to completely eradicate unwanted smells anywhere in your home, giving it a spot on our top 5 list. The air freshener coming in at number 4 on our list is the Positive Essence Natural Aromatic Mist Room Spray. This handmade air freshener comes straight from the spa capital of the world, Thailand. Its unique blending process ensures complete quality control. Our team finds that this spray type air freshener best for small sizable rooms. This allows you to have total control where the fragrances are being distributed. Our team also likes to note that it can be used on almost anything, including clothes, pillows, and bed linens, furniture, and bathrooms. The air freshener's contents are composed of 100% plant-based carnation oil, which is a natural alternative. It comes in scents such as lemongrass, coconut, vanilla, and eucalyptus, as well as wild mint, to name a few. In case you have pets present in your home, it's best to do your research first to make sure the oils involved won't harm them in any way. On the other hand, this air freshener does not contain any artificial fragrances and is free from any harmful chemicals that may cause allergies or irritations. In addition, it has never been tested on animals, making it cruelty-free. The bottles are hand-blended, providing you with the highest quality with a capacity of 4 fluid ounces. Our team at In the Home finds this a very natural way to deodorize your household. In addition, it is also calming, stress relieving, and provides mental clarity, perfect for people who are into meditation. In addition, it also has decongestant properties to relieve nasal congestion. This is a very budget-friendly and straightforward way of deodorizing your house efficiently. It surely deserves a spot at number 4. The air freshener coming in at number 3 on our list is the InnoGear Yoga Wood Grain Essential Oil Diffuser. This 500ml capacity air freshener also serves as a cool mist humidifier that can operate for as long as 14 hours. The device has 7 color changing lights and 4 timers. It can stay on continuously or for 1 hour, 3 hour or 6 hour periods. The light button, on the other hand, gives you the option to choose between 7 cyclical mood lights or one specific light that comes on in 7 bright or dim color options. In addition, the light or mist can operate independently. It has 2 mist settings, a weak mode and a strong mode. Our team was simply able to long press the mist button to shift between the 2 modes. The device features a waterless auto-off safety function that enables the diffuser to shut down automatically when the water runs out. Our team likes to note that the product is completely safe to use while asleep or if there are babies or pregnant women present. The air freshener is whisper quiet using ultrasonic technology that infuses fragrances silently, helping you get a good night's rest. This air freshener produces a cool healing vapor that moisturizes the surrounding air, which makes it good for dry skin. Our team found the item easy to use. Its cap was easy to take off and has a diffuser opening with a diameter of 5.9 inches. In addition, it was also designed to be easy to refill and clean. The item is BPA free, giving the user ultimate peace of mind that all materials used are safe. Our team at In The Home loves this 2-in-1 air freshener and humidifier because it gives you the best of both worlds. It performs great as a humidifier while spreading fragrance in the air, all for the price of one. The Air Yoga Wood Grain Essential Oil Diffuser is indeed a great addition to the household, giving it a well-deserved spot at number 3. The air freshener coming in at number 2 on our list is the MOSO Natural Air Purifying Bag. This unique air purifying bag is very effective at naturally absorbing and ridding your area of odors, harmful pollutants, and moisture. Its contents are made of MOSO bamboo charcoal that will keep your home fresh, dry, and odor-free without the use of harmful substances. It can cover areas up to 90 square feet, perfect for cars, closets, bathrooms, or any small area. This air purifying bag is available in a variety of packaging and sizes. There is a freestanding option that lets you place it anywhere without it falling over. There's also a smaller variant that allows it to be hung in bathrooms, closets, or placed in drawers. The bag can also be used in vehicles. All these air purifiers are made of bamboo charcoal while not emitting any fragrance. It is primarily designed to absorb moisture and odors and requires 1 hour of being soaked under the sun every month to maintain its effectiveness. The bag has a lifespan of long 2 years, while its contents are biodegradable. There is also a part of the bag where you can indicate when the package was opened. This is to remind you when to place it under the sun or simply recycle the bag's contents in your backyard to be used as fertilizer once 2 years have passed. Our team likes the MOSO Natural Air Purifying Bag's small design that allowed our team to place it anywhere. Upon testing, its performance was great at eliminating odors. It was also very easy to maintain and lasts for 2 years. This makes it brilliant yet affordable long-term investment. In addition, it's also recyclable, making it eco-friendly while not wasting any of its contents. Our team likes to consider this as an environmentalist's air purifier and a great addition to our top 5 list. And finally, we come to the number 1 air freshener on our list, the Poo-Pourri Before You Go Toilet Spray. This air freshener is primarily designed to eliminate odors in the toilet bowl. By spraying this directly in your bowl before you go, an invisible fragrance barrier is created to trap the odor underneath the surface. Our team was able to use the spray in other areas of the house where strong odors reside too. Our team likes to highlight that this spray is composed of 100% all natural ingredients, including essential oils, and it is free of harmful substances such as aerosols and parabens. The spray is also cruelty-free and is not tested on animals. The air freshener comes in a variety of fragrances such as citrus, lavender, peppermint, lavender vanilla, tropical hibiscus, and vanilla mint. The spray comes in 2 different bottle sizes, such as a 3-ounce bottle that has up to 100 uses and a 1.4-ounce bottle that has up to 70 uses. The Poo-Pourri Before You Go Toilet Spray has only one job, but it does it with brilliant results. Our team tested it on every surface with smelly odors and it performs like magic, time and time again eliminating all the unwanted smell. Our team find that there is no other air purifier that can perform as well as this, which is why we've placed it at number 1 spot on our top 5 list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 air fresheners which got our team in the home excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next air freshener roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below and we will be sure to look it over for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you in the home again soon.